guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a little fridge clean out right over there. I need to go food shopping and I'm realizing I have no room in my refrigerator for food because I kind of have stuff in there that's been in there for the week. So it's time to go through the food that's in there so that I can make room for the food that needs to come. The lunch rush is done and the dinner rush will be starting soon, and there's no dinner plan right now. So let's clean out this fridge.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. Baby, I won't let you down. I got it. I know you need it. Love is it when you're around. Oh, please say that you believe it. 'Cause I don't wanna lose you. I hope you feel that way too. No, I don't wanna lose you. Baby, don't go. Don't go. I don't wanna lose you, baby, don't go. Oh, when I get you back, oh yeah, I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. When I get you back, oh yeah. Oh, when I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah.
Alright guys, so I figured once I was done cleaning up after the breakfast and lunch dishes that we had in the sink, I would go ahead and empty out any of the jars or cans that could be recycled. I try to recycle as much as I can, so I figured I would just rinse everything out and put it into our recycle bins. And the sink does get kind of nasty after I'm done this, so wait to see how I was able to clean up this mess. I gotta tell you, this Barkeeper's Friend that you're gonna see me use in my sink is amazing. I used it on my tub. I do have a video showing where I used it on my tub, and I had a pretty good rust stain in my tub that I was able to get out. And then this sink, it's a porcelain sink, so it does get a lot of scratches on it from pans and just metal utensils that might get pushed and shoved around in there. So I was able to get all of the scratches out that were on the surface of this. I was really surprised because I was seriously considering a whole new sink. And of course, if I get a new sink, I need a new countertop. And if I get a new countertop, well then I have to put it on new cabinets, right? And I can't have new countertop, sink, and cabinets without getting a new floor. This is when my husband starts like, all right, stop thinking. We need to stop.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability.
You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted. Doubting you.
Alright guys, so here's a look at our food shopping that we did for today. The haul, I cleaned out the fridge as you saw earlier, and I needed to do that so that I could get the food for the week. And I typically go to ShopRite. I do have an Acme and a Giant close by as well, but I find that the ShopRite near me has usually the best sales and the best prices. I think I spent about $86. I have the receipt, I'll show that to you. But so we got a large pack of chicken breasts that I'll break up into 2 separate nights. I got a pretty large pack of pork chops back here, a rotisserie chicken. I'm probably going to do some buffalo chicken balls, and I'll stick that with a nice salad. I got some blueberries here, some broccoli, some apples, tomatoes. My son likes Hot Pockets, and I figure school's going to be starting soon. He likes to have a snack when he comes home after school. So maybe just throw a little Hot Pocket in the microwave for him. Plus, the school that he's going to has a microwave. So maybe for a quick lunch, if I don't make a sandwich that day for him, or if I have something ready, we can just throw a Hot Pocket in a lunch bag. We got some crushed tomatoes back here. I didn't pick it up at ShopRite because it is actually cheaper at the Acme near me. I'm going to pick up the meatloaf mix to make my meatballs, and I'm going to make some Sunday sauce. So I'll do sauce, I'll put the meatballs in the sauce, and then I'll use the sauce even later on. So I got some sauce there. I got a DiGiorno's pizza. I got 2 Cokes back here, or 2 6-packs, I should say. Some club crackers back here. We got some flips. That's the pretzel one side, cracker on the other. They're actually really good. The kids go through them pretty quick. We got some pitas. We always need ketchup. I had 3 bottles of opened ketchup in my fridge. I got it down to 2 by putting some in the other, but yeah, 3 bottles this time. So here we have the pasta, some for spaghetti meatballs, and maybe some other kind of pasta. Just like to have pasta on hand all the time. Got some brownie mix and some yellow cake mix, some Jellos here, olives. Olives is always a staple in our house. My daughter goes through them like crazy. We need some baking powder for our pancakes. We got some eggs, some English muffins, some cheese. I'm going to make some chicken quesadillas. So that'll be half of the chicken. I already have peppers in there that I actually need to use this week. I bought them last week. Some orange juice. I'm not sure if this was a great buy or not. I got the packs of the fun packs just to throw in lunch bags for them for school. It's a pack of 18. This one was already busted into. But sometimes I wonder if the value is good. I mean, I do get a lot of different things in here. I'm not sure. I have to break it down to see like per pack, per ounce, like that kind of stuff, because I really do try and watch what we spend on our weekly food budget. I try to come in under $100 for a family of 4 for the week. Some weeks are a little easier than others, especially like I said, ShopRite was running really good sales on stuff this week. So it made it a little bit easier to get some of those sale items going. But yeah, that's what our grocery haul looks like for this week. And I always do have staple items. I like to keep sauce already, pre-jarred sauce. Just this, I figured I'd make a little of my Sunday sauce because kids tend to like it, and that usually is good on even just dipping bread sometimes. I try to keep bread in the freezer. And like I said, my staple items, I try and keep everything stocked up on staple items so that I, one, don't run out or don't overpay when it's not on sale. So for instance, the ketchup that's back here, I didn't really need ketchup, but it was only $1.99 for the big thing of ketchup. So I figure I'll buy it, stick it in my pantry. So that way when we're running out of ketchup, I don't have to buy it at $2.99. So I try and do stuff like that. If you guys want to see me do any kind of cooking videos, I do have a cooking video on here from previous. I did a slow roasted pork, a South Philly style slow roasted pork. But yeah, quick and easy kind of stuff to go through. If anybody's interested, just let me know in the comments below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.